Samsung is preparing to release the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 in July, but online users could not wait. We already have a leaked photograph of one of these next-generation Z foldables. And it seems to be genuine, probably from an early test unit out in the wild. The leaked image provides a hands-on look at what seems to be the Galaxy Z Fold 7, with an emphasis on the camera side. The camera placement is similar to the Fold 6, but Samsung has placed the LED flash to the center of the bump this time. What truly catches the eye, however, are the fresh design changes. The Fold 7 seems to take some styling ideas from the Galaxy S25 Ultra, like as the slightly rounded sides and the distinctive coloring. And, based on the picture, it seems like Samsung is opting for a bigger cover screen, which should make it feel much nicer in your hand. If this leak is accurate, Samsung is certainly improving the foldable game in all the right ways. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition is small and has good cameras, but it can't quite compete with some of the foldable phones coming from China. Chinese companies' book-style foldables often include slimmer bodies, larger batteries, and quicker charging. Pretty amazing. But now comes the thrilling part. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 could be the world's thinnest foldable phone. And Samsung intends to make it more harder by employing titanium. According to reports, Samsung plans to use titanium on the back plates of the Z Fold 7 and its next first trifold phone, both of which are likely to be released in the second half of the year. The rear plate acts as a support for the hinge and folding screen. Samsung has employed a variety of materials over the years. Stainless steel for the early Fold versions, carbon fiber for the Z Fold 3, and titanium for the Special Edition. Titanium is fantastic since it is both lightweight and very strong, yet more difficult to make. One interesting trade-off is that the Z Fold 7 will likely lack a S Pen digitizer, which helps keep things small. Instead, Samsung is developing a new OLED screen that can detect a stylus without requiring an additional digitizer layer. Similar to the way Apple uses stylus technology. Samsung is working with HiDeep on this, although it's unclear whether we'll see it in the Galaxy Z series. So, Samsung is pushing some exciting new technology and materials. I can't wait to watch how this foldable race progresses. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.